Mad for Mondays, where you make a difference to your week. And it just so happens to be Monday, the 1st of January 2018. Reflection is a great thing to do at the end of the year, and I'm sure most of you started to reflect. If not before Christmas, then certainly after. Some of you may have even reflected at midnight and shouted some new wishes for the new year. Myself, I reflected on 2017 at the end of the year and took a deep breath, as it was definitely a year of many beginnings. I wrote a book and have Hachette, our global publisher, publishing with our release date 28/5/18. That was really big for us. I started delivering workshops in Sydney and Brisbane, Singapore and India. I became a national leader of our Tribe for Speakers Institute for upcoming speakers. I received my CSP and international recognition for certified professional speakers. I upgraded my diploma of leadership, management and my business degree. I spoke in Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, China, India. And in 2017, I was overseas for nearly 6 months with training and development. I had my MBA wraparound soft skills being delivered internationally, and my company won 2 international awards for training in 2017. We ran 8 courses for over 150 disadvantaged people in Australia to give them the tools to create a mindset for what they want to see happen in their future. The results show that 85% of participants are now in the workforce and 8% have gone on to further education. We fundraised for a village in Africa where we found only women and children. There were no men. I felt strongly nothing would change if nothing changes. So I've written a curriculum for leaders from Toto to go and add value to these teenage girls and to deliver our care packs to help them stay in school. This includes an educational program for teenage boys to break this cycle and to stop inadvertently killing women through disease and poverty. There are 4 other villages just like this. And as Mother Teresa says, if you can't feed 100, feed 1. So we're starting here and teaching them how to sow seeds to earn a living, to support themselves, to buy food for their families and feel self-worth. With the proceeds from our book, we're looking at being able to provide this same care for 4 other villages. Understanding the value that each of us has is incredible. You cannot be replaced on this planet, and neither can the person beside you or the person beside them. I truly understand this and the impact that one person can have on the lives of many. We all have this same power. My word for 2017 was purpose, which I believe we have lived into as a team and as a family. This year's word follows on from this. And my word for 2018 is commitment. Going into 2018, I'm going to commit to the poorest people in the world and help them to fish and share mindset tools of value and self-worth and business skills to support themselves. I'm committing to the biggest companies in the world and in the education sector to help them thrive, be adaptable and understand behaviours to grow their business in all areas. I commit to our young people and the disadvantaged to keep giving them free access to growth mindset materials. I commit to my family as I continue to develop and lead the way as a mother, friend, wife, and I commit to God to share love, joy and kindness in the world. I'm going to commit to me to stay eating healthily, grounding myself each day and taking those long walks in nature, because that's what makes me feel good on the inside. Commitment is a very big challenge, and I do this through goal setting. So to make a difference each Monday, I pull out my book of goals and I read them. I ask, how am I going? Am I on track to do what I need to do this week? Is this goal the goal I want to see happen in the world today? To make a difference, I wish you luck. And I love luck as labour under correct knowledge. So the more that we work with the knowledge that we have and the knowledge that we can gain, the better things become for us. And working smarter for what you want to happen is one of my favourite things, being specific, measurable. What action do I need to take? What reward, or is it relevant right now? And most importantly, putting that true time frame on things. By the 6th of the 6th, 2018, I would have sold a million books, for instance, although I'm only just getting published there. But it's really important, are your goals SMART? So that's what we'll be setting for our 6 different areas today. So it's really important that we commit to it, we see it's happening, and to understand how we're going to feel once we achieve it. So I'd love you to make a difference today and join me this Monday, 1st of January 2018, as we make a difference for our week. Speak soon.